Okay, doing some unboxing. This is gonna be a loose unboxing. Just gonna do things and talk, see what happens. For a proper unboxing, you need coffee. Just how it is. I think I might make this just like a chill unboxing second channel video. Okay, I'm gonna grab the boxes now. Oh, here's one. And I gotta be careful with these because Apple sent them to me on loan, not to keep. I'm normally just opening things up and just destroying them, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, box number 2. Let's open it up. I'm trying to be very surgical with this, so I can use this box to send it back. I'm not used to getting things on loan like this. That makes me sound so spoiled. They always just let me keep it. Wow, they wrapped it in this weird like paper towel fabric. Are they paper towels? No, they're not. They feel like paper towels. Here's number 1. This thing is crazy. And number 2. Got my return shipping labels. Make sure we keep those in there. I'm just coming back to recording from having the flu. So, still running out of energy here. They put these in handle up, so that was nice. So Mac Studio 3 and Mac Studio 4. 4 brand new Mac Studios. And they sent me some Thunderbolt 5 cables. So 4, 5, 6, because we'll be doing a cluster with these. So everything is here. And what I want to do now is just gently, slowly, leisurely open each one. Keeping in mind, each one of these is a top-of-the-line Mac Studio. It has 512 gigs of RAM. And that's a hard drive, but it's RAM. Like, that's crazy to me. Let's get going. All right, Mac number 1. I love opening these Mac Studios because they're so thoughtful about how they do it. So I think we start here. And then maybe we pull it forward and we open it like this. Yes, there we go. Oh, yeah, and I forget they have these like, I mean, this is really intense. Check this out, it's like, yeah, I expected more from that. That was it. They have a seatbelt. Or like, it's kind of like a roller coaster when they put in the harness. Buckle up. All right, now, let's lift him out. And this, I'm holding like $12,000 in my hand. I think. It's like that much. Oh, okay, and then we have our power cable, which I'm also gonna be very careful with. And now we're gonna close our spaceship because he'll be going back in this like Buzz Lightyear. Going back to Star Command. I wonder if I need to try and make this. No, I'm not gonna try and make this reusable. That's crazy. Sorry, Apple, I ripped your stuff here. By the way, thanks Apple for sending me this. This is so cool. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna try and preserve this either. Seat protector paper, so you know it's been cleaned. So yeah, I mean, it smells like a brand new 5K, a Nexus 5K. That's what it smells like. If you're a networking nerd, you'll know what I'm talking about. It just smells like a new Switch, and I miss opening new Switches. But this thing, I should have read the specs, right? I think they had the specs in the box. So this is a Mac Studio 32C CPU, 80C GPU, 512 gigabytes of RAM, 8 terabytes of storage. That's top of the line. Like you cannot get a better Mac than this. And frankly, I don't think you can get a better deal than this as far as what it has. Just gonna put this back here. Is it still in the shop? Yeah, kind of. All right, Mac number 1 down. Let's open up our next one. I think we learned from our last Mac that we'll just open it like this. Very gently. We'll open our space pod now. Easy for me to do. I love Apple unboxings. Oh wait, the front one undoes too. Or is it just flexible? I don't know. Same story as before. Oh yeah. You know, I bet this would get old around opening number 12 or so, but I think I will not get bored opening 4. They really are just beautiful machines. Every Mac I've ever owned has been. You know, it's so funny, my last video I did this with 5 Mac Studios, but I think they only had like 64 gigs of RAM each, maybe even less. So there's nothing to write home about. And just one of these has more than the entire cluster combined. The math on that is just fun. And there's not a better feeling than stacking these together. I mean, I'll put it further back here so you guys can like see it happen. Right here. Right here's good. Oh, coffee break. Again, sorry for the sniffling. Still getting over this nasty flu that's like slowly tearing its way through my family. And when you have 6 children, it does tear through slowly in the most annoying way possible. Okay. Oh. I'm trying to savor these moments because how often can I do this? If you'd have told old Network Chuck back in the day when I'm just making networking videos in my closet, because that's where my studio used to be. If you'd have told him that he would now be in his own studio, opening up Mac Studios, machines that are more powerful than you can ever imagine, sent to him from Apple to do AI clustering. First of all, he would ask a lot of questions about what the heck I'm talking about. But this is seriously, it's a blessing, it's a privilege. That's not lost on me. I'm just grateful. Okay, all right. Number 3 in our cluster. This, I think, might be the most powerful local AI cluster you can find. Alex just walked in and interrupted my beautiful recording.
My bad.
If you hear that SpongeBob giggle in the background, that was him. All right, one more to unbox. The last one is always stubborn, just like my kids. All right, closing my space pods. I hope my team does not forget that we need to keep these intact. But yeah, this will be the most powerful local AI cluster there ever has been. I think and I hope that the bandwidth, the latency between the machines when they're running AI models, I think that's going to be a lot better than it was last time. At least I'm hoping so. I haven't tested these yet, obviously. There's lots of promises here. Okay. Oh. And these are here. Let's get them front and center. Oh, I thought I scratched one of them. It was just like dust. So this is a thing of beauty. I'm so excited about this. I mean, what's crazy about this cluster is like, it's not gonna pull a lot of power. I know that. It's not gonna output a ton of heat. So you don't have to like put this in a data center. You don't have to put this in a cooled server room like I have in there for just my gaming PC and my other servers. This is the most powerful AI cluster you can build with consumer hardware. And you can put it anywhere. Like that's crazy, and it's not like loud or anything. We're gonna be able to record this and talk about it. It's nuts. And that was your Network Chuck ASMR unboxing experience.